Hello little buddies. First of all, take the foldable paper of 10 into 10 centimeters. It means your paper should be in square shape. Now take another color paper of your choice, but this time measurement should be 9 into 9 centimeters. Now cut your another paper in heart shape. Always remember, if you want perfect heart cutting, always cut your paper like this. Then place it on the main paper and trace it out. Now it's time for cutting. Here I am using surgical knife, but you should not try this because I already have years of experience of using it, but you people should stick to the normal scissors. Here I have already drawn my character with the help of pencil, but if you are not good at drawing, you can take screenshot and then practice. And yeah, this is done. Give this kind of card to your loved ones and I am sure that they are going to love it.